Hello buddies, welcome back. In this video, we will test and try out the string pull technique which you might have seen in Instagram as it's trending right now. First, we are going to try out gel. Let's apply first coat. Here I am using white and black gel polish and cure for 30 seconds in LED lamp. Now apply second coat and do not cure. I have few gel colors aligned and putting a piece of thread upon the gels. Now the most difficult part, placing the thread over the uncured layer of gel polish. I am taking help of a toothpick to fix the gap. Now the fun part. Woohoo! It works! It's fun. Let's try again. Right now, I'm really enjoying the process. Definitely, this is among those things which one should try this quarantine when getting bored. And each time, it's gonna be different. If you are watching till now and loving it, please subscribe and comment, which will inspire me to work on more such videos. Also let me know if you want to see second part of this technique with more patterns including tips and tricks. Please do watch till the end to find out whether it works for normal polishes or not, and also the bloopers. Let's add more beauty to it. Watch out how beautiful they are. Either you can stop here or can add some eye pieces, stones, flecks, anything to decorate it. Now apply the top coat to complete. I'm really loving the result. Let's see how they look on hand. Scary. Now the final result. Let's find out whether it works with normal polishes or not. Woohoo! It works! So waiting for what? Grab your nail polishes and try them out right now, because this process is really fun. And now the bloopers. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, comment, subscribe.